Good morning, students. So today we'll start with the third chapter, list, creating list and inserting image in HTML. So this is the new topic for you, HTML5. Whatever you've got in class 6 or 7, I think, that is simple HTML. So now it is HTML5. So how you need to start HTML5? It's like the previous one only. You will have to go to any folder, just right click over there, go to new, and simple text document. You need not use any other software, simple text document. The text document will come, open it, and you can start typing your code here. Okay, so HTML5 has a signature of doc type. So when you give this one the tag doc type HTML, so this line means it indicates that it is an HTML5 code. Okay, so bracket started, exclamation, doc type HTML, bracket close. So anything inside these two brackets are called tags. Okay, so some of the tags are started, have only open tags, and some of the tags have open as well as closed tags. Like the second tag that I am using is HTML. So this one needs a closing tag which is backslash HTML. Okay, so we'll use this backslash HTML afterwards. Now, inside this, we'll start again with the head tag. Then we have the title tag. So here, since we are starting with unordered list, so I'll give the title as unordered list, and then close the title. Okay, I close the title, and I'll start with the style tag. So style tag needs to be written as style type is equal to text oblique CSS inside inverted comma. Okay. So style tag we have started, and let's say I close the style tag, and styling I'll do after some time. Okay, let me complete the body first. So we'll start with the body now. Sorry, the head will be closed here. Style will be inside the head, then we'll close the head. Don't worry if I'm going fast, I'll explain it again. Okay, so body started. Inside the body, we need to give the heading first. Okay, so the heading has 6 tags, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So the largest heading size is H1, smallest is H6. So you can use any of them. We'll be using H2. So I'll start with H2 and give the heading, list of beverages, and I'll close the H2 heading. Okay, so heading is closed. Now I need to start the list, which is an unordered list. So I'll give it as the tag for unordered list is UL. So I'll start with the tag UL. Then I close UL. So any list will start with this UL and end with this backslash UL. And whatever you need to create the list should be inside this one. And the inside portion are the list items, and the list items tag is LI. So I'll give LI and write the first list item is the T and close the LI. So first item done. Start with the second item and close LI. Then the third item. So here I have given for 5 list items: tea, coffee, cold coffee, green tea, and mojito. So these 5 items I have given. So if you are asked for 3 items, you can give this 3 items. If you are asked for 10 items, then you can add 10 items like this. Li. As many items you need, you can create that. Okay. So then we this our HTML program is complete. So we'll close our body. Body closed and the HTML also closed. Okay. So see all the tags. HTML has started. HTML closed. Body started, body closed. UL started, UL closed. Li started, Li closed. H2 started, H2 closed. Style started, style closed. Head started, head closed. Title started, title closed. Everything is closed. But inside the style, we have not done the styling. Okay. So now we'll do the styling of the tags that are used here. We need not style everything, all the tags that we have in HTML. We'll style only the tags that we have used here. So here we have used 2 tags only, H2 and UL. The styling of H2 I'll show you in other programs. Now you see the styling of UL only. Okay. So I'll write UL, start the curly bracket, then list hyphen style hyphen type. List style type. Then the colon, and I'll give the style name. So I give it as square.